Assalamu alaikum to all of you. Welcome to another my YouTube video. Hope you all are doing great. Today I will show you how to make the self-created brownies in my own method. First of all, we have to take 2 eggs, 7 spoon sugar, then beat it really well. 4 spoon flour, 1 spoon baking powder, 2 spoon cocoa powder, then mix them really well. Add 7 spoon milk, oil, grease a baking bowl, bake for 3 minutes in microwave. Just only 3 minutes. After take out the baked material, add 1 cup of milk immediately. 1 slice butter in stew pot. 1 dairy milk chocolate. 2 spoon cocoa powder, 1 cup milk. Spread on top of the baked material. Add some nuts, on the top for garnishing, and refrigerate for good 1 hour and see, your delicious dessert self-created brownies is ready to eat. Hope you like my video. For more new cooking videos, don't forget to like, subscribe and share my channel. Bye bye.